everyone, I'm Franz Ariel Jorge. I'm the student from Taguluan Comunicat College. The contemporary world, I speak to learn about the world of the things happening around us. I want to understand how countries and people are connected. I also want to learn how globalization affects our daily lives. The contemporary world means the world we live in today. It takes about the changes happening in the society, technology, countries, and the way people connected with each other. One global issue that interests me is climate change. This is important to me because it affects everyone. It can cause very hot weather, floods, and strong storms. I believe that we should take care of our environment to help protect our future. Globalization has affected my daily life in many ways because of the internet and social media. I can easily communicate with people from different places. I can also learn about the other countries and cultures. It also gives more opportunities for learning, working, and connecting with others around the world. And thank you everyone for watching my video.